Hi guys, it's Kit. My hair is a bit wet because I just got off the shower and I got my Xiao cosplay and I called my niece to help me wear this because Dokidoki and Genshin cosplays, they're a big pain in the ass. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I got is the tattoos. Look how shiny! Is this part of the gloves? No, I think this is the gloves. Yeah, it is. And this is the little bling bling he has on his waist. Oh my god, waist. Oh my god, so pretty. It reminds me of Aladdin. Prince Aladdin. Gently. Brothers. Ooh. It's so beautiful. I'm not ready to put all these accessories on. I'm not ready, guys. I'm not ready. What is this? It's the accessory for his left arm. I think it's his left arm. No, this is the pants. Wait, what is this? Ah, it's the accessories. Okay. Okay. This thing right here, where? Where is the... It's not easy, brothers. It's not easy. Guys, look at this. ASMR. I'm a big fan of ASMR. Guys, I think they forgot about the vision. I don't know, but I think they forgot about the vision. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Let's see. Please, Lara. Xiao tutorial SR. You see, Lara? You see? What are you doing? This cosplay is so hard to figure it out where does everything goes. That's why I always see a watch a tutorial on YouTube. My niece, she likes to figure out things by herself, and that is great. But I don't have that patience. Guys, having nails, sometimes it pisses me off. I made it. It broke. How does it take a shower? Oh my god. This is so exciting. Look at this. Like, this hurts like hell. How do even Xiao cosplayers like can handle a whole convention day? They're heroes, guys. Yeah, guys, they forgot my vision. Dokidoki! She's a Xiao hater. And done. This is so uncomfortable. I love the cosplay, but like, it's uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie.